Good day, viewers. My name is Mr. Victor Johnny. I'm here to put more and elaborate on the topic number system as is written on the board. So I think we are much familiar, as some of us we are just hearing this topic for the first time in our life, number system. Now, number system is a system of writing to express numbers in mathematical notation that represents numbers in bases. What I'm trying to say there here is, when we talk about number system, is a system of counting whereby numbers are represented in form of bases. We have base 1, we have base 2, we have base 3, we have base 4, and so on and so forth. So here we are going to see how we can change or convert from one base to another. We convert from base 10. What we are using in today's counting, we are operating using base 10, otherwise called decimal number system. Whereas in the system of electronic expression, when I talk about electronic expression, computing, we make use of binary number system in counting. So the binary number system is otherwise called base 2. So we are going to see how to convert from one base to another. Now let's look at how to convert from base 10 to base 2. Example, convert base 10 to base 2. Example 1. Have your 10 converts 10 in base 10 to base 2. Okay? We draw a line, write the number which we want to convert. Remember, we want to convert to base 2. So we put it here. How many 2 are there in 10? We have here 5. Remainder 0. Nothing remain. You put 2 here. How many 2 go into 5? How many 2 go into 5? We have here 2. Remainder 1. Now, how many 2 go into 2? We have 1. Remainder nothing, remainder 0. Now we have here how many 2 go into 1? Remainder 1. We have to bring down this down here. So we copy it from down. We have here 1 0 1 0. That is in base 2. So this is how to express 10, which is in base 10, to base 2, which is 1 0 1 0. Now we can also convert this back to base. How to convert back to base 10? Converting from base 2 to base 10. Take notes. When we talk about base 10 is otherwise called decimal number system, whereas base 2 is called binary number system. These are the things you should put into cognizance. Alright, now we want to convert this to base. We have 2 methods of converting. Let's look at method 1. Method 1. We have here 1 0 1 0. Take note, is in base 2. Okay, so we have here 1 times 2 is equals to what? 2 plus, we bring down this 0, plus 0 is equals to 2. Now 2 times 2 is equals to 4. We bring down this 1, we add it. This equals to 5. So 5 times 2 is equals to 10. We bring down the 0, plus 0 is equals to 10. So we have converted from base 2 to base 10. So we have a 10 in base 10. So that is the answer to that. Okay. Now let's also look at another example of expressing base 10 to binary decimal number system. Example 2. So converts 20 in base 10 convert 20 base 10 to binary number system. Okay. Now let's use this part of the board. Solution. Now we do as we did before on the first expression. We have a 20. We have a 20. Okay, we are converting from base 10 to base 2. So we use 2. 2 go into 2 one time, go into 0, nothing. Remainder 0. 2 go into 10, we have 5 times, remainder nothing. 2 go into 5, 2 times, 1 remain. 2 go into 2, 1 time, nothing remain. Now 2 go into, can 2 go into 1? If it goes, something will remain. So we bring down this 1 and write it there. We copy from down upward. So we have a 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 in base 2. This is the binary expression of 20 from base 10 to base 2. Now we can also convert this. We can convert this to base 10 back. It's very simple to convert. Let's look at it. Convert from base 2 to base 10. Now let's look at it. Okay, I'm still using method 1 after we use method 2. Okay, we have here 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay, now take note that we are converting from base 2 binary number system to decimal number system. Then here we go. 1 times 2 is 2. We bring down this plus 0 equals to 2. Now 2 times 2 is equals to 4. We bring down this 1 plus 1 equals to 5. Are you there with me? Now we times. Times 5 times 2 we have here equals to 10. Okay, now we bring down, we plus 0 equals to 10 times 2 equals to 20. We bring down the 0 is equals to 20 in base 10. That's how to convert from base 2 to base 10, as the case may be. Okay, now let's also look at method 2. Method 2, let me use side of the board. Method 2. here we have 1 times 2, that is the one I'm talking about, plus 0 times 2, plus 1 times 2, plus 0 times 2, plus 0 times 2. This is the power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. This is 8. 1 times 8 plus any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Take note of that. Plus 2 times 2 is 4. We have here 4 here. 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times, now take note, any number raised to power 0 is 1. Now 1 times 0 is 0. So here we go. We have here 8 plus 4 equals to 16, sorry. This is 16. 16 plus this is equals to 20 in verse 10. That's the answer. Okay, thank you for watching us. We need to see you some other time. Please, whenever you have challenge, you leave a comment on the comment section. Whenever you have challenge, and whatever topic you have challenge, you can also put forward so as to be of great assistance to you. Thank you and God bless.